morning everyone. So people have been telling me to drink good green stuff through a straw, so you bypass your tongue or something. I don't know how this is gonna work. Just got back from the gym. I am so sore from the last 2 days workouts. Like I can barely like sit up and sit down. It hurts so much, but anyway, that's beside the point. Tomorrow I'm not going to the gym because we're flying up to Auckland, so at least I get a rest day. Honestly, it's just easier for me to do that, I think. So I'm having juice for breakfast. We've got some apple, carrot, and kiwi fruit, beetroot, and lots of kale. What have I got? Sit. Sit, stay. Do you deserve it? Do you deserve it? Okay. One for you, and one for Zeus. A little bit dirty, but it tastes good still. By the way, I mean dirty because beetroot tastes like dirt sometimes, you know. If you've juiced it, you know what I mean. It's so refreshing though. Oh, my legs. So I am feeling so shit today. I feel exhausted and sore, and just I don't feel very motivated at all. So I'm just going to play with my makeup. I was on Pinterest. I saw these really cool makeup looks. This isn't my idea. I saw these really cool makeup looks where it was like they had their eye and then they drew another eye on their face, and I'm just so curious to see how well or how terrible I can do at this because I've never tried to draw an eye before, and I thought it could be good Halloween inspiration. Again, it's not my idea, but I just feel like playing with makeup, so I think I'm just gonna film myself doing it just as like a little experimental video, and you know, if it doesn't turn out then I just won't upload it kind of thing. I don't know, I just feel like really blah today, and I feel like just playing with makeup without any expectations will just make me feel a little bit better because, you know, I just love playing with makeup. It's like my hobby, so hopefully it'll cheer me up a little bit and make me feel a little bit more productive and stuff. And then if it ends up working out well, at least, you know, it's another video done, because I don't feel like filming just like a normal makeup look or anything, even though I suppose it kind of is, because I'll do like my makeup and then add eyes onto my face. I hope you guys are having a good day. I just feel very like blah, deflated, blown out. I love Eminem, although I have to say I like his old stuff better, but I still love him. That's the thing with music artists, like even if I don't like when they change their music style a little bit, when they, you know, progress, I think good for them, because so many music artists feel so pressured to just stick to their style and stick to what people like, and they're too scared to like go out of their box and try something new. And then as soon as they do, all of their like diehard fans will be like, oh, screw you, why'd you change your music, blah blah blah. Like it happens to so many DJs and stuff. So even if it's not my cup of tea, I still admire them just for like doing what they want to do rather than what everyone else wants them to do. Like of course to an extent you want to make your fans and followers happy. I guess it's the same with me doing videos. Like I'm always going to want to do stuff that you guys want to see, but at the end of the day, like if it's your creativity and if it's your art form, you want to be doing it partially for yourself. I guess that's how I feel today as well. Like I just feel like doing something creative for me, and I don't want people to be all like, this isn't your idea. God, I feel like there's barely any like Halloween looks and stuff that people haven't done at this stage. Every time I do anything, people are like, but blah 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 did something like this. I'm like, I mean, you're cutting gashes into your face, like how original is it really? And I find my inspiration from all over the place. I don't copy, like I don't just look at one person and copy them. I either try to take my own twist on it, or I'll like look at a bunch of different pictures and like pull inspiration from different places, or just do what suits my face. Like I don't know. Ooh, I searched eye Halloween and there's like some really creepy stuff. This makes me feel very uncomfortable. Ugh. See, I'm on Pinterest. This one here is super cool. It's like an eye mask, like literally an eye mask. That's really cool. Or where's some more? because I was just searching eye Halloween makeup tutorials. That is creepy. I don't like that. I think just like lots of circles grosses me out. I don't know why. I'm sure it must be like down here somewhere. I was just like scrolling for days the other day, just like browsing Pinterest for inspiration. I should have really pinned it. Here's one here. How creepy is that? Oh my goodness. My mind just doesn't understand. I've been getting heaps and heaps of requests to do like a broken china doll look as well, so I've got some ideas for that. I've saved this to a board just for like inspiration because I like the way she's done the cracks. Like, I don't know. So that'll be such a fun one. I'm waiting for some contact lenses to arrive though. Let the bodies hit the... It's got eyelashes now. Okay, so I took some photos. I feel so weird right now. That definitely helped to inspire me and make me feel a little bit more productive for the day. Definitely cheered me up. Like, how funny is this? Hello. So yeah, I'm gonna eat some food. I am going to have a piece of my quiche from last night that I cooked last night. I'm so excited. It smelled so good last night. Hamish tried some this morning and he said it was good, so I'm excited. I'm sorry if I'm really distracting right now. Even look at the lashes. Lash game strong. Yum. I'm gonna have it with some sweet chili sauce, I think. Got a little sour cream and sweet chili sauce with this because I feel like it. So you can see it's all layered up with veggies. There's so much vegetable in here. This is heaven in my mouth. Oh my gosh, there's like a huge chunk of pumpkin here. I was gonna say pineapple. So good. This is way too funny. I just posted this picture on Instagram and people are like, oh my god, Promise just did the exact same look. Hold on one second. Hers is I can't click it. Hers is amazing as well. How funny is that? 2 hours ago or something. I can't really see. As you can see, my screen is messed up. Yeah, 2 hours ago. How funny. She's done like the nose and the lips as well. So talented. She's amazing, but she must have seen the same stuff floating around as me. I'm actually quite proud of how I did. Like, I think I did pretty good. I'm quite proud of that effort, so that'll be cool. I'll still upload the tutorial even though obviously other YouTubers are doing the same thing. Oh well, it's fine. Hopefully my one will give someone some inspiration. Who knows? You look very happy. You look so happy. What? I'm just gonna cover his name, but what? Why don't you go do a night course instead of doing so many videos on how to cook? I'm sure Hamish would love you to cook some nice homemade meals. Yes, because that is my job as a girlfriend. Okay. Oh god, now people are like, you copied Promise. No, I didn't. I copied the girl that I saw on Pinterest. My spring makeup look that I did the other day is up now on my main channel, so go check it out if you want. And say that my vlog channel sent you. So yesterday at the supermarket I found this and I reckon it's going to be so gross, but I want to try it on camera. It's coconut water mixed with coffee, which I sometimes like coconut water, sometimes don't. It kind of depends. And then coffee with coconut water. I don't know. I thought it would be interesting to try though. It smells good. It just smells like coffee. It's not bad. Yeah, it just tastes like coffee. It's got the kind of like aftertaste. Sorry, I'm just like filming my second set of eyes. It's got like the aftertaste of coconut water, but it actually tastes pretty good. So they have added sugar. I feel like it will. It's got quite a lot of sugar in it. It's got added natural cane sugar, so it's still natural sugar, but it's still added sugar. 22.7 grams. I suppose like if it's just a once in a while thing like me, it's not too bad for you. Definitely better than some other alternatives, that's for sure. I think I like it. Surprising. So at the moment I just finished doing my daily vlog. It is 4:30 p.m. so now I'm going to try and finish my passport photo video and then edit a Halloween one probably. I probably won't actually be able to edit much until until next week, because let's see, tomorrow I'm in Auckland for BMW. BMW are flying us up to Auckland for like some thing. I don't even know what's happening. Hamish knows more about it than me. I've been so busy I haven't even looked at the email. Friday I am picking up Danny from the airport, so that is exciting, and she's here until Tuesday I think, so I'll be filming collabs and stuff. I'll still daily vlog, and then I guess Tuesday night, Wednesday, I'll start editing some more videos. I don't know when I'm going to start uploading Halloween tutorials. Do you reckon I should just start doing them like as soon as October hits, like during October, like the beginning of October, because I always like to think, you know, I feel like you need to give people enough time to practice if they want to practice, and like, you know, collect all of the, I was gonna say ingredients, you know what I mean, like collect all the stuff that they need to like create the look on themselves, if anything, you know, if they need to buy latex, or if they need to buy false eyelashes or contact lenses. So I reckon early October. What do you think? And then maybe as I get closer to like Halloween, I can do some like last minute Halloween inspired tutorials or something. I don't know. I'll just see how I go. Obviously, like, I just need to see how much time I can actually put into filming Halloween tutorials. I mean, I've already done 2, which is good. Yeah, I guess it all just depends on what happens. I don't want to like overrun myself. Like, I'm already filming so often, like daily vlogging at the moment, plus 3 beauty videos a week, which is quite a lot of work to get those edited and everything. Can you not? I'm actually just busy right now. He only ever cares about me when I start talking to you guys on the camera. He starts crying. Come here. Come on then. Come on. Hello. No looking. But I'm gonna try and do like beauty videos as well at the same time. And then maybe upload the Halloween videos as extras. Like, I'll do some Halloween videos for my video of the week, like Monday, Wednesday, Friday, but then I think I'll do some extra ones too, maybe. Otherwise, if I just get, otherwise if I just get too stressed out, I'm just gonna have to just do like whatever I feel like doing at the time, because I don't want to like burn myself out, because it is quite a lot of work. Like, I already have no spare time as it is, basically. You better now? So if you were wanting to go into my hairdresser, which is Magic Happens, I just posted this up so you guys can remember. You can book in if you want to go try a new colour, receive a complimentary haircut and treatment valued at $68 if you quote Shaaanxo. So yeah, super nice of them to do that for you guys. If you are interested, then feel free to do that, you know. I'm not getting paid to say this or anything. They just wanted to do something nice for you guys. Also, this is hilarious. I've noticed so many comments lately on my vlogs about, well, just people asking if I can please vlog during my workout at the gym in the morning. But the reason I don't is because the gym is just like me time. I mean, I look disgusting while I'm working out. I'm focused on that. Don't really want to vlog. It's just like a time for me to do my thing and like get ready for the day kind of thing. And also, obviously, like, vlogging is kind of weird, and I don't want to make other people at the gym feel uncomfortable. I mean, if I was working out, I wouldn't want to be in the background of someone's video like sweating on someone, you know. It's just not very courteous, I guess. I don't want to make other people while they're working out feel uncomfortable. I guess I would if I was just like working out by myself at home or something, but I don't. Plus, I kind of, as I said, like just have a little bit of me time. But yeah, I don't want to make people feel awkward. That's why. I just thought I'd say that on camera, because I was just getting so many questions about it lately. I don't know why, but that's why. It's 6:30. I've almost finished my passport video thing, and I show my old passport photo and then I show my new passport photo. So hopefully it's kind of interesting as well, because the makeup looks not too exciting. It's basically just like a full coverage, like made up look that's still natural, so that I still look like myself, but I look as good as possible for the photo. Hopefully it comes in handy for somebody at least. I really love the makeup look, and the lipstick combo is like to die for as well. It's a look I did for my new passport. My old one expired and my old picture was like kind of gross in my opinion. My eyebrows, what was happening? I don't even know. Yay, I did it, and it didn't even take long. Like, I was actually able to talk without mumbling up my words a million times like normal when I do voiceovers. So it's now 7 o'clock. I should probably have some dinner. I feel like I've just been eating at such random times lately. It's really bad. I try not to eat too late normally, because I don't think it's really good for you to eat at night, you know, like late at night I should say. So for dinner I've got some leftover tortellini and roast vegetable salad. So good. It tastes just as good the next day, if not better for some reason. I guess the veggies like kind of soak up the sauce a little bit. Just reading some comments and replying to some comments on yesterday's vlog at the moment. Can you spot yourself? And I am going to watch some YouTube videos while I eat now.
Dad showed me this file on his computer called Alfie's Old Videos. So I'm going to remove my makeup and edit
this vlog for tomorrow because we fly out at like 8 or 9 in the morning, so I probably won't have time in the morning to edit this video. I will vlog tomorrow. I don't know how much vlogging I can do. I don't think I'm gonna ever go of driving the BMWs. I just I just don't really care. Like, I'm not big on test driving cars. I let Hamish do the judging. He can tell me if it's good or not, and then I try driving them once we buy the car. That's what we did with the Porsche as well. I was just like, I don't want to test drive it because I'm so scared I'll like crash it or something. I'm sure I wouldn't, like, I haven't crashed, but yeah. But I'm looking forward just to going and like just hanging out, and like spending the day with Hamish should be really good too. I'll just see what happens really. Don't know how interesting the vlog will be because that's all we're doing, because I think the actual event's in Hamilton. So we've got to actually, like, because we're flying into Auckland, we've got to actually like travel to Hamilton, go to the event, and then travel from Hamilton to Auckland again, fly home. So I don't really know if it's going to be interesting or not, but hey, it might just be a little bit of a shorter vlog or something. I have to say I've been loving these. These are the Whispers makeup wipes. I got them in a goodie bag from NZ Fashion Week, and they're really, really good. Like, they don't irritate my skin and they remove makeup really, really well, although I still have to use like 3 to get rid of all my makeup. I don't want to wipe this off. It took me so long. Those feels every time you do your makeup well. You're just like, no, I just want to sleep in it. Oh, that looks so creepy. How creepy. I use like waterproof gel colors and stuff on my cheeks. Yep, here comes the red cheeks. I have to like scrub it off. Does not want to come off. My poor skin. Man, I'm tired. I just got stuck out doing more work. Now the time is, crap, I've got my timer on. The time is now 8 o'clock, and I was just importing some more footage from Halloween, and I'm clearing off some of my memory cards so I've got some space for when I go to Wellington, because I'm gonna have to pack tomorrow night probs. Oh man, at least I'm only going to Sally's, and if I forget anything she'll have something. Like if I forget any makeup or hair care or my straighteners or something, she's got all that. I should have used my makeup eraser today. That was stupid. I'm like, I am obsessed with this Innisfree Beija Trouble facial foam. It's what I've been using recently. It helps so much with breakouts. My knees hurt so much from like kneeling on the floor. Look how foamy it gets though. It goes everywhere. And then the rosehip oil I'm using at the moment is the Antioxidant Plus by Trilogy. You can get rosehip oil from like the supermarket as well for a cheaper price point. I don't know if rosehip's any better than the others. I haven't actually tried the others. Oh, my legs hurt. I just get sent like a million Trilogy ones. I have bought it in the past as well because I didn't know you could get it cheaper, but now I just use everything that they've sent me. I've got sent some cheaper brands as well though, so I'm gonna make a point to try out the cheaper brands, get out of my face, and see if it's like the same thing. I'm guessing it is. I mean, it's rosehip oil, you know what I mean? Like if it's organic and pure, it shouldn't be really much different. So I don't know if you've been able to tell through the last couple of days, but it's really helped to fade these marks that the pimples left me. I scar very, very easily, like all over my body, like scars, stretch marks, you name it. Like I scar so easily, but this really does help. So yeah, that is that. I'm gonna go edit today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll hopefully talk to you tomorrow. Bye.